Introducing Pantene Shampoo with Hair Conditioner. Oh no, my hair is so dry. What will I do now? Well, I have something to recommend you sis. Use Pantene Shampoo with Hair Conditioner. It has vitamin E, P, C, and D to get shiny, smoothie, and healthy looking hair. Really? Yeah. So what are you waiting for? Go and buy now. But wait, where can I buy this product? No worries, you can buy it anywhere and even in the small market in your place. Just contact their cell phone number 0928-164-9013 and you can directly message in the Gmail account pantinshampoo-conditioner@gmail.com.